in action. We're back in the action, boys. Hey man, welcome back to Shadow Ban Brand, channel where you say, holy smokes, holy hairy beaver. YouTube hates this guy. Thumbs up, comment down below. Maybe it'll help our ban situation. That'd be awesome. So we're doing mad casual video today, bro. One of these like unboxings that we used to do that like a lot of you guys might not care about, but some of you might. But this one holds a special part in my heart for sure. Because the love of my life just sent it to me. My boy, if you're watching, yeah, it's a dude. My wife would like that. Nah, unfortunately, she likes him more than me. Anyway, I got a Christmas family dinner I gotta clean up. They're coming in about an hour, so mad casual, boys. This comes from my homie, Seth Fowler. I hope you guys watch him. If you guys remember my old sneaker content, the stuff, some of this stuff I went really viral for back in the day. He's part of that whole thing, you know what I mean? I consider him a really good friend of mine. He's killing it. Just hit 1 million subs. Congratulations, homie. And boy even traveled from Philly to Winnipeg for my wedding. You know what I mean? Like, you can't really find people like that in life too easily. So he's got his own brand, boys. He sent us some mystery stuff. One, I think you're really gonna like. I'm not gonna lie, I already opened it because I wanted to wear it the other day. The other one is a mystery, although I know what it is. This one right here, we're just gonna get it right off. I've gotten a lot of questions about this hat right here, boys. So one I've been wearing backwards all the time. This is my daily hat. Can't wear it down here. The lighting looks weird. I look like Frankenstein. But this, he just sent me another. Actually, this one he sent me for free. This one I had to purchase off the homie. Put some money in his wallet. We got another one. So this is pretty much broke by Apothecary. I'm pretty sure is how you say it. Seth Fowler's brand. There's a link down below. Thank you so much for that, bro. It's crazy seeing your homies do some big stuff, man. Like really, you got their own like little place down there and wherever the hell, I don't know if it's in New York or Philly, with like a team and stuff like that. So he's like, hey, send Brad something and it's shipped that day. It's crazy. Love this hat, bro. I will have, once again, links down below. The next one here, simple unboxing. I already know what it is because I already know what they sell, bro. But I'm stoked for it because I need more of these. Actually, hold on 1 second. Oh, I'll just show you it first. Let's go. Oh my God, there's tons. Let's go. My girl's sleeping upstairs after a night shift. I gotta be a little quiet. Boys, Apothecary, as I yell, my bad. Apothecary, please tell me I'm saying that right. It's gotta be Apothecary. Socks. Look at this. Socks of the yin yang. We're gonna take, I wanna keep some of these, oh my God. Dude hooked it up. You know what's crazy, boys? I don't know why I'm just thinking about this now. I haven't, you guys know I've struggled with like alcohol abuse and stuff like that for like a long time, right? Ever actually since, sorry, I just dropped some. These are crazy, we're gonna get into them. Coffee break. This might be a little lightly edited. I'm in a time crunch. These are freaking fire. Literally. Oh, I thought it was fire. Well, it's A's with fire. Dude, the packaging's unreal on these. Seth, thank you so much, bro. You guys gotta check out what I'm wearing right now. These are my socks, bro. I ain't bought a pair of socks ever in my adult life, ever. You know what I mean? Either brand send it to me or my girl buys them. These are dope. Anyway, you guys know, I don't know why I got into this tangent, but you guys know I share everything. And not in the way, oh, the tangent is alcohol. Not in the way where like people are like, I just think if I get out there and share it once, it's gonna help other people. It'd be down to help other people, but I'm not lying with you guys. I'm an open book. I share everything. I can't shut my mouth, so that's kind of how it goes. But yeah, I've struggled with, look at these. These are quality, bro. I'm putting these on right now. I'm going bowling tonight. Glow bowling. I'm gonna wear these. Anyway, yeah, I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I've been drinking lots of coffee lately. I've struggled with alcohol abuse for a long time now. Ever since my dad's passing, really. And, you know, the past 2 weeks, I was like, you know what, maybe I should stop. And I did. And this is probably my first time filming sober these past couple weeks in long time. You know what I mean? Like, really, I didn't, look at those, bro. They're so sick. There's like packs on packs. I didn't really think this was gonna take such a spin, this video. I never really dealt with the beers and stuff like that. It was mostly vodka, you know what I mean? Which is the worst because beers are calories and stuff like that, so is the body. But yeah, last 2 weeks, I felt great. I think it just took me, I don't know why I brought this up. Well, it's because I'm feeling good, bro. It just took me wanting it, you know what I mean? I think I'll look healthier too, man. It's so weird. Life is so much different being aware of everything around you and not just having a buzz all the time. So, just a little update on that, boys. I'm feeling really good. I want to continue this, you know what I mean? And I know I can, it just takes me wanting to. Same with, look at these bro, same with I'm getting shadow banned. Or same with me being shadow banned with YouTube. I know I'm going to kill it because I set my mind to it. I can bring this channel back like no one's business. It's, if I want something, I do it. That's just how I've always worked, and it's my past has proven it, you know what I mean? So, same with the elk, and I'm really excited about it. Hopefully you guys can tell. Like, the real big thing is the face. You know what's crazy too? I swear, bro, like I'm really health conscious and stuff like that. As I say, I abuse alcohol, but I don't eat chocolate or anything like that. Like, I'm strictly healthy. I've lost freaking 14 pounds, bro. 15 in 2 weeks. Just not having the booze, bro. Which is an insane amount of weight. I thought it was water at first, but it's been like that for the past like 4 days now, so that's crazy. Anyway, a little life update too. Well, it was maybe, I guess now I should chalk it up as strategic because we just unboxed socks. But Seth Fowler, please go check him out. You guys probably already know him. Congrats on 1 milli, bro. If anyone deserves it, I said this on my Instagram, it's him. You know, the boy knows how much I love him, man. It's really hard to find really genuine people like that, especially with YouTube, man. Especially, I hold our friendship very close, and I hope that we have sex one day, Seth. Anyway, just kidding. This is why we're shadow banned. Apothecary. Don't show your team this video, by the way, Seth. I just talked about alcohol problems, and I unboxed socks. This is where we're at, boys. Appreciate y'all for watching. Apothecary, it's my new thing. This, though, for real though, guys, you gotta cop one. Pretty much broke. With the little money tag in there, which I think is hilarious because it looks like Monopoly money, so I kind of like a goof on things. It's just like, there's been a lot of people being like, yo, but that's not real money. I'm like, yeah, I know. And then I pull up my, I don't know. I was going to say I pull up my Monopoly money in my wallet, but I don't. It's not even a funny joke. Okay, bye. Love you guys. We're feeling fresh, boys.